Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. What I have on the bench here is the last of the Zenith mortise keys. So these Zenith mortise keys, we had the last of the collection and now they're slowly by slowly fading out. And in the hope to clean up my bench now, I have to quickly have a look at these because I think I might have a solution which might save a lot of people a lot of time. Now these particular mortise keys, it's not like you can just get a blank and start carving it because they've got this groove in the middle here. See this groove? That actually protrudes on this side. So you've got your flag or your blade at the end and then it's got like a bend in it. So unfortunately this bend has to be there, and if you were to make one out of a solid piece of metal, what would happen is you'd just be getting very thin on the middle. Here's a bit of rusty old bit of paper. So if you start off with, let's say, that, and then you have to carve out, let's say, that much, okay, you're not really going to be ending up with enough meat kind of here. So to solve this, I've got some new key blanks and they're on my bench and I've got to quickly measure them up, and I thought I might as well do a video on it. So if you do have these, if you've got the blank where it's actually got this groove in, it's going to save you a lot of time, because then you can simply just carve the top, give it a quick rounding and a buff, and away you go. Alright, so let's have a look now. So I've got two different types. There's one and there's two, and they even have the happy face type head on them, and one's marked, what are they marked, 1 and 2? No, this one's marked 3. Okay, good enough. Alright, so let's go over some measurements here to see if these are going to be suitable. So what do we got here? Pin size 4.4, 5, okay, so it's under, so that will do. It's like 1/2 mil under, but these do have a bit of tolerance. Total height here, we've got 15. Yeah, we've got enough room there. All right, now here's the big kicker, right? That groove. Will that groove work for that groove? And just looking at it, I think we might be on a winner there. Might be on a winner. It's pretty hard to actually kind of tell, and it's pretty hard to measure, but I'll try and measure from the center of the groove, 7.7, and 7, and so we're kind of down the bottom there. Line them up side by side. By eye, they look like they'll work. Anyway, you can buy these blanks from our website. There's a left and a right. So if you look at it, if you look at it from this direction, that's right, and if you look at it from this direction, that's left. Okay. Number 3 has will be the right one, and this other one, which is not marked. There we go. Number 2. Right, so number 2 is left, number 3 is right, and they're that formation. So they look like they will be okay. Without having the lock to actually test it, it's hard to know, but we will be selling these key blanks and they are available. So if you want to put a couple on your shelf, next time you get somebody in, carve one up and see how they go. It's a lot easier than replacing the lock, and at least it allows you to actually be able to cut a key, because without these pre-made keys, there's no other option but to cut it by hand, and if you've got to cut it by hand, then you want to do least amount of work, so you'd probably just want a blank that you can shove in, chop the top off, round it off, and send it out. So that might be the option for a lot of people. Leave it down in the comment. Thanks for watching.